Maxwell modified ambient circuitry law, and the equation is del cross H is equal to J plus JD. Now, taking divergence of this equation, that is divergence of left and right hand side, del cross H is equal to del dot J plus del dot JD. But here die curl of any vector is equal to 0, so left hand side is equal to 0. Remaining terms are del dot J plus del dot JD on the right hand side. Shows that del dot J is equal to minus of del dot JD. Also, from the equation of continuity, you know that this del dot J is equal to minus dou rho by dou T, where rho is the charge density. So this from first Maxwell's equation, del dot D is equal to rho. Substituting this rho in this equation, that is del dot J is equal to minus dou by dou T of del dot D. Then interchanging the operations, right hand side becomes minus of del dot of dou D by dou T. Simply interchanging the operations of dou by dou T and del dot. Left hand side is del dot J. That is removing the divergence symbol on both sides. J is equal to minus dou D by, del dot JD is equal to, but from this equation del dot J is equal to minus of J del dot D. That is minus of del dot JD is equal to minus of del dot dou D by dou T. Removing del dot symbols on both sides, JD is equal to dou D by dou T. That is del cross H is equal to J plus dou D by dou T. This is the fourth Maxwell's equation, where del cross H is equal to J plus dou D by dou T, where H is the magnetic field vector, J is the conduction current density, and D is the displacement current density. D is known as the displacement current density, or dou D by dou T is equal to JD, or JD is equal to dou D by dou T is the displacement current density, which is simply a time varying electric field. It is nothing but a time varying electric field. This J is the conduction current density, which is the current per unit area.